If you want to fix Chrome auto-opening unwanted websites on your Android phone, so first of all, locate your Chrome. Now let's press on these three dots. Let's press our settings, and in our settings, let's find our security and privacy tab. There it is. Now let's find our clear browsing data. So here we have to choose the range. I'll choose all time and make sure to choose browser history, cookies and site data, imaged, cached images and files, your tabs, saved passwords. So choose whatever you want to set and press delete data. Great. And as the second step, let's open up our settings. Let's find our apps. Now let's find our Chrome. Now find your storage. And in your storage, first of all, clear cache. And then press manage storage. And now press clear all data. And basically that's it. Now I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.